Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Built a formula you're proud of? Good. Now let's make sure nobody messes with it. Whether you're sharing a workbook with your team or sending it to a client, the last thing you want is someone accidentally breaking your formulas. Here's how to lock them down in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Select your cells. Highlight the cells that contain the formulas you want to protect. Step 2. Hide the formula. Right-click and open Format Cells. Head to the Protection tab and check Hidden. Hit OK. Now the formula won't show in the formula bar when someone clicks on that cell. Out of sight, out of mind. Step 3. Lock the sheet. Go to the Review ribbon, click Protect Sheet under Changes, enter a password, and you're done. Anyone trying to edit it will need the password. Everyone else just sees the results. Clean, professional, and tamper-proof. That's how you make Excel Excel. And speaking of keeping things secure, if you're ready to go beyond protecting a workbook, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas stay hidden by design, your data stays protected, and your users get a clean web interface. No Excel required on their end. Links below.